Today we're breaking down the National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP, a critical topic for your Property and Casualty National Exam. First, you need to understand why the NFIP even exists. Standard homeowners policies explicitly exclude flood damage. The exam will test you on this specific point. The reason is that flooding is a catastrophic risk. Unlike a single house fire, a major flood can damage an entire community at once, making the potential losses too massive and unpredictable for private insurers to handle profitably. This led the federal government to step in and create the NFIP in 1968 to offer this crucial coverage. The program is managed by FEMA and is available only in communities that agree to adopt and enforce floodplain management ordinances. Now, let's talk about coverage, which is split into two distinct parts: building and contents. This is a favorite area for exam questions. Building coverage protects the physical structure, its foundation, electrical and plumbing systems, and permanently installed items like built-in appliances and wall-to-wall carpeting. Contents coverage is for your personal belongings, such as furniture, clothing, and portable electronics. An exam question might ask if a detached garage is covered. Under the NFIP, a detached garage is considered part of building coverage. A common trap is confusing what's attached versus what's personal property. Think of it this way: if you could flip the house upside down, everything that falls out is generally considered contents. Another critical point the exam hits on is that personal property kept in a basement has very limited coverage. A guaranteed exam topic is the waiting period. There is typically a 30-day waiting period from the date of purchase before an NFIP policy takes effect. Test creators love this because it's a specific rule designed to prevent people from buying a policy only when a flood is imminent. While there are exceptions, such as when coverage is required for a mortgage loan closing, you must know the 30-day rule for the exam. You also need a basic understanding of flood zones. FEMA creates flood maps that designate high-risk areas as special flood hazard areas, or SFHAs. These are zones with at least a 1% annual chance of flooding. If a property is located in an SFHA and the owner has a federally backed mortgage, flood insurance is mandatory. The exam won't expect you to be a map expert, but it will require you to know that coverage is mandatory for most mortgage holders in these high-risk zones. Here's a simple phrase to help you remember the waiting period: don't wait for the rain, or you'll wait 30 days in vain. This will help you recall that crucial 30-day window and avoid the common mistake of assuming coverage is immediate. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.